Welcome to a new way to stay calm in 2026. Today, we learn the 30-second body reset. Many people try to fix stress with their minds. They say, "Do not be worried," but it fails. In 2026, we have a much better secret. Your body is the remote control for your brain. When you are stressed, your heart beats fast. Your muscles become tight and very hard. Your brain thinks there is a big danger. It stops your learning center to save you. This is why you forget your English words. You are in survival mode, not learning mode. A body reset tells your brain you are safe. It uses simple movements to change your mood. You do not need a gym or a long meditation. You only need 30 seconds in your body. Today, we will learn how to reset the system. Let's learn how to turn off the stress alarm. Are you ready to feel calm in 30 seconds? Let's look at our first tool for a quiet mind. Look at animals after they have a big scare. A dog or a duck will shake its whole body. They are shaking the stress energy away. Humans have this same natural power too. When you feel jumpy or stuck in your work, do not sit still and try to force your brain. Stand up and start to shake your hands. Then shake your arms and your shoulders. Imagine you are shaking water off your skin. This movement sends a signal to your nerves. It tells your body the danger is over now. In 30 seconds, your muscles become soft. Your brain bank opens for new information. You are moving from stress to focus. It feels a little silly, but it really works. It is a physical reset for a digital world. Try the shake before you start your English. Clean your body's energy to help your mind. Shaking is the fastest way to feel free. Let's move our bodies to unlock our brains. Your breath is the bridge between body and mind. It is the fastest way to control your nerves. When we are nervous, our breathing is shallow. Our lungs do not get enough fresh oxygen. To reset, we use the double inhale trick. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Then, take one more tiny breath at the very top. This pops open the small air sacs in your lungs. Now let out a very long sigh through your mouth. Make a H-H-H-H sound as the air leaves your body. This long exhale tells your heart to slow down. It is like pushing a quiet button on a radio. Repeat this 2 or 3 times in a row. You will feel a wave of calm wash over you. Your brain stops fighting and starts listening. You can now focus on your English words again. Use the sigh of relief whenever you feel lost. Your breath is a tool you always carry with you. Breathe deep to think deep and learn better. Control your air to control your future. Sometimes, your brain is like a hot engine. It is moving too fast and getting too warm. When your thoughts are racing, use cold water. Splash very cold water on your face for 5 seconds. This triggers a special dive reflex in your body. Your heart rate drops, and your blood flows to the brain. It is like a cold start for a tired computer. The shock of the cold stops all the noisy thoughts. Suddenly, you feel very sharp and very awake. You are no longer dreaming about the past or future. You are here, in the room, ready to study. Cold water is the natural coffee for your focus. It washes away the stress of the morning. It leaves your mind clean and ready for English. You don't need a cold shower to feel the spark. Just a little cold water on your eyes and cheeks. Use this spark when you feel sleepy or bored. It is a small shock that brings a big win. Wake up your body to wake up your genius. Cold water is the fastest path to now. Do you ever feel like your mind is floating away? This happens when you have too many worries. To learn English, you must land your brain. We use a technique called the grounding point. Sit in a chair and put both feet flat on the floor. Feel the weight of your legs on the seat. Press your feet down and feel the hard ground. This physical touch is a check-in for your brain. It reminds your nerves that you are safe and still. Now touch a cold desk or a rough piece of paper. Focus only on the feeling of that object. Is it smooth? Is it hard? Is it heavy? This stops the noise in your imagination. You are now grounded, like a tall, strong tree. A grounded brain can hold on to new information. It is not shaking or flying in the wind. Use this point before you open your English book. Land your mind so you can build your wealth. When you feel the floor, you can reach the sky. Stay grounded to keep your focus strong. Your eyes are actually a part of your brain. Where you look changes how you feel. When you look at a phone, your vision is narrow. This narrow view tells your brain to be stressed. It is the vision of a hunter looking at a target. This makes your body feel tight and anxious. To reset, you must use panoramic vision. Look up from your screen and find a window. Look at the furthest point you can see. Let your eyes relax and see the whole horizon. See the trees, the sky, and the buildings. This wide view turns off the stress center. It tells your nervous system everything is okay. Your brain moves from target mode to calm mode. Do this for 30 seconds every hour. It relaxes the muscles in your eyes and your mind. A wide view creates a wide and open mind. You will find that English grammar feels easier. Change your vision to change your world. Look far away to see your future clearly. Did you know your voice can heal your stress? Deep inside your neck is the vagus nerve. This nerve is the off switch for anxiety. You can turn it on with a simple sound. Close your mouth and make a low sound. Feel the vibration in your chest and throat. This sound is like a massage for your nerves. It tells your brain that you are safe and happy. Humming for 30 seconds lowers your blood pressure. It clears the mental fog that stops your learning. It is a secret tool used by singers and monks, but you can use it right at your study desk. If a grammar rule feels too difficult and heavy, stop, close your eyes and hum for a moment. The vibration breaks the wall of frustration. Your brain becomes soft and ready for new ideas. You are the musician of your own calm mind. Use your voice to find your inner peace. A vibrating body is a living, learning body. Hum your way to a smarter, richer brain. Where do you hide your stress in your body? For most people, it is in the jaw and teeth. When you are worried, you bite down hard. This sends a danger signal to your brain. A tight jaw makes it very hard to speak English. Your mouth feels heavy and your words feel stuck. To reset, simply let your bottom jaw fall. Create a small space between your upper and lower teeth. Let your tongue rest at the bottom of your mouth. Now take a slow breath through your nose. When the jaw is loose, the brain feels safe. It is impossible to be angry with a soft jaw. This small movement relaxes your whole face. It makes your English pronunciation much better too. Try it now. Drop your jaw and relax your eyes. Do you feel the learning door opening? A soft face is a sign of a wealthy, open mind. Let go of the tension to let in the knowledge. Release your jaw to find your true voice. Calmness starts with a single, simple drop. Your ears are more than just tools for hearing. They are buttons for your nervous system. When we are tired, our ears often feel cold. This means the blood is moving away from the skin. To wake up your brain, use your fingers. Gently rub the edges of your ears from top to bottom. Pull your earlobes down very softly and slowly. This stimulates the nerves that control your heart. You will feel a warm glow in your face. This warmth is your blood returning to help you. It is like a reset button for your energy. Do this for 30 seconds while you study. It helps you listen to English more clearly. Your brain becomes wide awake and ready. It is a quiet way to fix your focus in public. No one knows you are doing a body reset. Treat your ears with kindness to hear better. A warm ear leads to a very sharp mind. Massage your way back to the present moment. Small touches can create a very big change. You now have a toolbox for your nervous system. You are no longer a slave to your stress. You know how to shake, breathe, and ground. You know how to reset your eyes and your jaw. Use these tools every time you feel stuck. Do not wait for a big crisis to start. A body reset is like brushing your teeth. It keeps your mental health clean and bright. Practice one reset before every English lesson. Your brain will learn twice as fast as before. A calm body is the foundation of a genius. You have the power to change your mood. You are the master of your remote control. Use it to choose peace, focus, and growth. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We believe in your potential and your future. If you want to feel calm every day, subscribe. Join our community of healthy learners. Click the bell to see our next viral lesson. See you in the next video. Stay reset.